everyone, I just got this Sephora rewards box for making an $80 purchase, and this was part of the Chinese New Year special reward. So I thought that I would open it up and show you all what's inside. Okay, so as you can see, there's a lot in here. So first of all, the box, it has some magnets at the front to keep this closed. So it's in this sort of satiny finish, so it's pretty nice, and I think I'm definitely going to keep it after this and store things in it. So if you can see, there's a lot inside here. So maybe what I'll do is I will pull things out one by one and tell you just a little bit about them. So the first thing I have is this Kate Somerville Wrinkle Warrior 2-in-1 Plumping Moisturizer plus Serum. So I think that'll be really nice to try. It's a pretty reasonable size sample, and I haven't really used any Kate Somerville stuff. Next up, we have from Farmacy, a brand that I have not tried anything from before. And this is a Green Clean Makeup Meltaway Cleansing Balm with Echinacea Green Envy. And it's kind of like a pale green, has kind of a sweet citrusy smell. So that might be interesting. It's a makeup remover. Next up, we have from Yves Saint Laurent, the Shock Volume Mascara. Let's take a look at this. Oh, wow, this is very weighty, actually, for a sample. Ooh. See the brush there? Very nice. This is definitely something that I would not go out and just buy, so this is awesome that I got this as a sample. Up next, we have Moroccan Oil Treatment. So this is a hair oil, and I've been using it for years and find it's really, really nice as a finishing oil, sort of after you straighten your hair, or if you're doing a curly hair, to put this in to sort of help shape your curls. For natural curly hair. So this is awesome because this is 10 milliliters. So this is the size that you could take on a plane in your carry-on. So this is like perfect for traveling. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy about that. Up next, we have Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair Synchronized Recovery Complex 2 for all skin types. There you go, 7 milliliters, that's pretty good. Oh, the packaging is really pretty. I don't know if you can see that. And I think I have tried this before, and I quite liked it, actually. So, yeah, you can see the serum. So that's going to be really nice. It's fantastic. Then we have Verb Volume Shampoo and Volume Conditioner. I haven't really used this, other than my hairdresser uses this when I go to see her. And it smells pretty good, so that's kind of nice to have it for home. I can also use that as a travel set. So again, like pretty reasonably sized samples. I can use this a couple of times to really give it a test. So that's awesome. And then we have the Caudalie Vinoperfect Serum. So this was part of the birthday gift from Sephora in 2017. And this is a really nice sample because it comes with a little dropper, and it's a glass bottle. So that always feels like a little bit more like luxury when they give you a glass bottle. And this is 10 milliliters. So that's super. So I'm sort of seeing a theme of like a lot of serums and that kind of thing. And then here we have Kat Von D Tattoo Liner in Trooper Black. And an eyeliner is a pretty good sample because like this will definitely, you know, last a while. So that's pretty awesome. Then we have, what is this? The Power of Tiger Grass Derma Green Solution. Cicapair. So this hydrates, soothes redness, and itching due to dryness. So I guess it's kind of like a moisturizer, but maybe if your skin's a little bit itching. Oh, okay, so yeah, so I think this is another brand that I just like have not used before. So that's kind of cool. I always like when, you know, when you get a bunch of free samples like this, when you have like a nice collection of ones that maybe you know that you like, or ones you've been looking forward to, and then some that you didn't even know existed. So that's pretty cool. We have the Ouai Rose Hair and Body Oil. And I think it's going to be in a spray. So that's cool. And I've recently gotten some other Ouai products. So this is going to be great to try this one as well. And I think hair oil is nice. And it doesn't look as thick as the Moroccan Oil, so that might be interesting to try. Then we have Tidal Brightening Enzyme Water Cream by Sunday Riley. Oh, that is not what I was expecting. I have another cream like this, and it looks just like it. They kind of smell the same. They both smell sort of cucumbery, but the other one is, I think, a light green. So I'm hoping this is just a different kind. Okay, so it almost looks more like a mask than a water cream. That's interesting. Huh. All right, interesting to try that one. Last but not least, we have SK2 Facial Treatment Essence. So they've actually given us like a teeny tiny bottle of SK2, which is crazy because how much is this? 10 milliliters. Because this, I was actually just looking at the prices for these, and this is like really expensive. So the fact that they gave this to me in a sample is crazy because I would not normally have thought about that. So good job, Sephora. That's fantastic. So I think that is it. The rest is just fancy worms in sort of gold and yellow. Oh, and the bottom of the box you can see is gold. So it's really gold and red to really tie in with Chinese New Year's. So I'm really excited, and this is such a good deal because usually you have to spend about $35 and you would get like, you know, one of these samples. And or even a sample that's smaller than this. You know, sometimes they don't give you these like nice, like good looking ones. And so you had to spend $80 for this. So really, like, you know, for that much, you'd maybe get 2, maybe 3 samples. And here you got 12 samples. Wow. So I think that's a good deal. I will say these were available in-store and online. I did an online order. And then someone I know went into a store and got one. And this email came in maybe like, say 2 p.m. in the afternoon. We got some, and then by the time I checked again at maybe like 6 p.m., like a few hours later, they were sold out. So, at least online. So, I feel very lucky to have gotten this. I think it's great. This is going to be a great storage box. And I'm so excited to try some of these items that I've not tried before. So, if you have any questions, please leave them as a comment below. Feel free to subscribe if you like this video and want to hear other things about it. And as always, thanks for watching. Bye!